So this is the final part of the modeling process for this character. Right now I'm just finalizing the modifiers. I'll also model the head, import the hands, and model this, I don't know what to call it still. Is it a tie or whatever it is? Still don't know. Also I'm gonna do her feathers. The bags or purses that are on her waist, I don't know if I should do those now or maybe like do them off camera. But yeah, I mean, I've been doing the modeling for so long, I think I might as well maybe just do them off camera. But yeah, for now I guess we can call the modeling process done. There's not really much to do. Oh yeah, I also keep forgetting this, but her corset has laces or strings at the back, and for some reason I don't know why I forgot to model those. But yeah, I guess it's one of those things where it's like I'll do it off camera again with the purses on her waist. But yeah, I guess for now the only thing that is left to do is the UV mapping, and then there's also the multi-resolution sculpting. Then from there we'll bake textures and do some texture painting. So the look that I'm going for with, I guess, shading and rendering is more of a PBR look, not going to be anything, I guess, too stylized, like, you know, something you'd see from, I don't know, Arcane or Into the Spider-Verse, you know, like the hand painted textures and whatnot. That's not the look that I'm going for. I feel like if I did that it would take too long to finish this character, but I guess maybe that is something that I'd want to try in the near future with like different characters. But for now I guess I just want to keep things simple and just get this character done. But yeah, I mean, this video is not really going to be that long because it's just like adding, I guess, the last bits of, you know, the missing pieces of the model. And yeah, I mean, I guess that's it. That's all I have to talk about this video, which is why I said like it's going to be a short one. So yeah, I guess the next part I upload will be UV mapping. Hopefully I can get started with UV mapping and some multi-res sculpting in one video, but I don't know. I guess that will depend on how long the UV mapping takes before I can get into that, because I'm trying to keep all this information like digestible so as to like not overload certain people's brains. You know, it's like I mentioned when I got all those new subscribers from that one shot. Hopefully a lot of you have the attention span for this, because, you know, when I look at my analytics, a lot of people just watch maybe like a minute or less than a minute of the video and then they click off, and very rarely do people watch the entire video. So yeah, just trying to keep things digestible. And also, you know, for those of you who watch from start to finish, thank you. It really means a lot and you are helping me out. But yeah, I mean, I guess off topic, man, like short form content has really done a number on people's brains and their attention span, just as the world we live in. But anyway, I guess if there's anything on the modeling process that I can talk about now is just how I use smoothing for certain parts of the model. There's this green thing that she's wearing. Still don't know what to call it. It has dark green stripes or something like that. I don't know what to call it. Like for that I just used inserts. Like I beveled few edges, like a row of a few edges, and then like I just inserted them. And then when it comes to the hat, this was mainly just a circle, honestly. Like I just added a circle, made some extrusions. Then from there I used multi-res, no, not multi-res, just normal sculpting to sort of like give it the shape. And then I also used proportional editing. I think this is what I was trying to say. Yeah, I also used proportional editing to also like adjust individual vertices and the vertices around those individual verts to kind of give it like a, you know, or rather to give me more control for, you know, the shapes that I was going for. So yeah, I mean, other than that, not really much to explain. The model is or rather the modeling process at this point is pretty much done. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video if you've been enjoying this series. Help the channel grow. It really means a lot. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.